The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skiller. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. And I'm just going to get right into some things that I saw in a news article. So I'm saying to you, now I saw a news article out there where it is said that the remaining 2 of 4 females who are said to be listed as persons of interest in the relation to the brutal beating of a teenage girl at an illegal party that happened within the country of Jamaica had turned themselves in to the police within the country of Jamaica. So what I'm saying to you, according to the news article, it is said that the teenage girl who had been attacked and beaten by females at an illegal party goes by the name of Kaylan, and it is said that she had been hospitalized. All right, and I'm going to tell you some things that had been said in this news article that I saw. You see me? So please bear in mind, that some of the things that I'm about to tell you might not be word for word as to how it had been said in the news article, but I'm explaining to you according to what I understand as to what had been said in the news article. You see me? Now, according to some things that have been said in the news article, it is said that the females turned themselves in to the Grand Spend police on the 17th of November 2020 in the presence of an attorney who goes by the name of Peter Champagne. You see me? And before I say anything else, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present an audio to you, viewers and subscribers. And according to what had been said in the news article that I read, it is said that this audio is said to be of the person who goes by the name of Peter Champagne. So what I'm saying to you, or you can say that the person you are about to hear in this audio, according to the news article that I read, it is said that this person is said to be Peter Champagne. So take a listen and observe.
I can confirm that I was retained in respect of 2 ladies whose names were published on social media as being persons of interest. They are prepared to give their full cooperation to the police in terms of their investigation. Of course, I can't say anything beyond this because I would not want to prejudice the course of the investigation or to second guess what is going to happen now. But they are in custody, suffice to say that, and also they are indicating that they are innocent. We will see what happens from here on out.
All right, viewers and subscribers, you see, when this whole thing reached on social media about Kaylan being beaten by females at an alleged illegal party, you see me? I saw 6 pictures that shows 6 females who had been accused of being involved in the incident where it is said that Kaylan was attacked and beaten by females. You understand? 6 pictures I saw that shows 6 females, and those females were being accused. You see me? Now, I don't know what really happened, viewers and subscribers, but after a certain time, the number of 6 turns to 5. You see me? So after a certain time, I don't see 6 pictures anymore. I see 5 pictures put together, and some of the times they are separate, showing 5 females who had been accused of being involved in the incident where it is said that Kaylan had been beaten by females at a party. You understand? I see a video out on social media that shows a female who claimed that she was not involved in the incident, isn't it? Now, I posted a video, and that video that I post, that video shows a person who is said to be a police officer who confirmed that one of the females was not involved in the incident that happened. Yes, what I'm saying to you, I'm talking about the incident where it is said that Kaylan had been attacked and beaten by females. Yes, what I'm saying to you. However, no, to my understanding, viewers and subscribers, that would have me thinking that there's only 4 persons now who are considered to be involved in the incident. You understand me? But you see, the thing is, even though the news article said that the remaining 2 of 4 females who were listed as persons of interest in the relation to the beating of a teenage girl who goes by the name of Kaylan at an illegal party within the country of Jamaica had turned themselves in, you see me? Even though the news article said that, I'm not going to say that all of who were involved had been apprehended or are in police custody. No, I'm not going to say that, because I say some of the times, viewers and subscribers, I say investigation might lead to a point where you might find out that other persons might be involved in the incident. You see me? Might be involved in the incident. But however, I'm just letting you know what had been said in a news article that I saw about this whole thing. You see what I'm saying to you? I'm trying to keep you up to date and posted. I'll let you know what's going on. You see what I'm saying to you? And I also posted a video. I posted a video, that shows a female who is said to be the mother of Kaylan, giving somewhat of an update about Kaylan's condition and other things as well, isn't it? So just in case, if you, my viewers and subscribers, want to know what's going on with Kaylan, if she's okay and so on, you can click the link to that video. And that link to that video will take you back to a previous video that I did. You see me, which is said to be the female who's said to be Kaylan's mother, giving somewhat of an update about Kaylan and other things as well. You see me? And I'm also going to leave a link at the end of this video also. If you click that link will take you to a previous video that I posted that shows a person who is said to be a police officer who confirmed that a female was not involved in the whole incident where they said that Kaylan had been attacked and beaten by females at a party. You understand me? Yeah, viewers and subscribers, this whole thing is somewhat mixed up, but at the same time, some of it is starting to make somewhat of a sense, and I'm trying to make sure that I present the correct information to you, my viewers and subscribers, without causing any form of confusion or giving you any misleading stories. You see me? If I don't know how something goes, I'm just going to leave it as it is. You understand? But I'm telling you according to how I understand some things that have been said. You see me? And please bear in mind that there are more informations out there about the incident where it is said that a teenage girl had been attacked and beaten by females at a party. You see me? There are more informations out there. And please bear in mind that I just explained to you where it is said that the remaining two females had turned themselves into the police. I explained that to you according to how I understand some things that have been said in an article. Alright? And here's where I'm going to leave it. You see me? So big up and respect to each and every one. And yes, so if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.